Okay, everyone, this is Dylan. This is Dylan.
Hello.
And I am Justin. And today, we're going to be cooking the weirdest damn omelet ever. We've got some green beans right here. Some vegetable dip. He's cutting up a carrot. Got Fruit Loops. Is there anything else?
We got salsa Thai sauce and
Yeah, we got salsa, Thai sauce,
some
taco
taco
sauce.
hot sauce.
Thai sauce. This is the salsa
That's some sort of
The Thai.
spicy.
and the taco stuff. Hey, there's oranges.
Yeah, we got mango oranges.
That'd be disgusting.
Yeah. We don't want an acid in there.
You can melt a little bit of. You can melt like a little bit of chocolate on top of the omelet.
Oh my god.
So yeah, because earlier I got a $12 bar of chocolate, and this is what we have left of it.
Well, it's only one of the halves.
Yeah, the other half. This is the half he started on. I've started on a different half. And, well, we should melt a little bit of chocolate down. That'd be delicious, wouldn't it?
Throw a couple pieces in a bowl and throw them in the microwave.
No, we'll do that when the omelet's halfway through.
Yeah, just
Right, let's get some eggs. Do you have a measuring cup?
get the big one.
I need a smaller one.
Yeah, it's in the bigger one.
Oh, okay. It's 2 o'clock in the morning, Dylan. I'm
Actually,
tired.
it's like 2:30.
It is 2:22.
Well, fucking Justin. There's.
We also could use that.
Just checking your
That
camera.
one is disgusting. You want some of that carrot?
Yeah. Just get the end left.
Alright. I want you to record me doing the eggs because I can't do it with one hand. Because I'm not that good at cooking yet.
Really? You
Yeah.
just smashed it against the counter.
There's a technique to doing it, Dylan. That's one sexy carrot.
This one's sexy knife.
I love knives.
I've had this knife for so many years.
We should cut some of the green beans up too. Alright, here.
Just eat them whole.
Take it.
Alright, we got a master chef.
Ha. Very funny.
I don't even know how to cook an omelet. I'll learn it today.
Well, this is how I was taught how to make
I'm
omelets.
taking a bite out of your carrot.
Alright. We need spoons.
You know that.
And a fork.
Why don't you grab one of the seafood forks? You know what? You see, I cook my eggs with the water, with just water, and everybody in my house thinks it's weird.
I'm doing this my way. I'm adding my own little twist to it.
What the?
Because my mom cooks it with with milk to make it fluffier.
Yeah,
Some people would cook it with water
I do the water.
to just, I don't know, that's their own personal preference. But it generally comes out fluffier when it's with milk.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna do water and milk.
Yeah, usually people either just do 1 teaspoon of milk for each egg or 1 teaspoon of water per egg.
Oh, I
I
use
do.
tablespoons.
Oh, sorry, yeah, tablespoon. And I just use water because I really don't care if my eggs are fluffy or not.
Do you have a
Just-
pan?
It's a non-stick pan.
It's a non-stick pan.
Yeah.
It's good.
What do you think this is? Oh, can't cook. She needs those.
I have stick pans.
We don't. Why'd you throw these back in here?
We generally do that or in the middle of cooking. We throw them out when we're done with them. What's this one?
Move the garbage can. Give me more room.
This is a really big pan for this.
Well, we don't have a smaller non-stick one. We have a bigger non-stick one.
Can't use a spatula now.
There's the vegetable peel.
That'll work.
It's plastic too.
You want to cook it enough so that you make. Oh, this is gonna be so delicious.
It's gonna be so bad.
You know it's gonna be delicious. Ow, fuck.
You just cut yourself.
No, I stabbed myself.
Do you want me to handle that? You look cunning inclined.
I'm tired.
You know what? No, no. Here.
We don't need that much.
I'll be right back. We gotta get a bigger knife.
Alright. You're gonna get that different knife. I'm just gonna cook. Turn this down a little bit. There's only one more to this. Yes. Look at that knife. So the shadows in the way. That's sweet. We generally do this to make the edges. I think I'm doing it really early though. Like, really early. Turn it down a little bit. That was a good carrot. You seriously never knew how to make omelets before?
What?
You never knew how to make omelets before?
No.
Okay, start putting stuff in the middle now.
This is about to teach me. You never did.
Get the Fruit Loops and stuff.
Alright, how much do you want?
Just a little bit. It's good. We're gonna burn the house down.
That's quite the possibility. You know the drawer comes out farther.
Don't care.
And this is, I don't think, the weirdest thing we've created. We created a sandwich with cold taco meat, watermelon, grapes, ham, butter,
No, this is the weirdest thing
mayo.
we made.
Oh,
We're putting vegetable dip inside an omelet.
I don't know.
It actually looks kind of glorious if you look
It
at
does. That almost looks like a triple breakfast.
Wait, we forgot about this type of stuff.
Oh yeah, Thai sauce. We gotta add all of it. I like lots of salsa.
You can add some of the pickle mix. I'll take that. Sorry that we're bad at videotaping stuff. This is like our first time we're trying to do this.
That stuff's really spicy. That actually looks good. I don't lie.
Let's
I'm hungry. Hey, this is pizza bun.
let's get a kind of clean fork. What?
Pizza bun. Or cheese bun, whatever it is.
Let's just kind of spread that around a little bit. Oh, 1 second. Oh, yes.
This is gonna be
Okay,
extra pretty.
this, okay, see it.
Here.
No, this omelet's too thin. See, I told you we needed pan.
No, man.
I told you we needed pan.
I think you're just fucking it up.
Fucking it up.
You're fucking it up, not me.
I told you we needed Pam.
So good. You want a bite?
Oh.
It's okay. Ish.
Let's take a look at that.
What it started off to be pretty good is
Chocolate.
horrible goofy mess. You're in charge of chocolate. I've never done nothing with chocolate. Hey, look, now you have a piece of your bit off.
This was a horrible idea.
Oh well.
That just smells really good.
Might as well just like mix up all the eggs now and just turn it into scrambled eggs.
Cooking gone wrong. That's what really is.
Just throw it all in one pan and then we just split it.
Wait till you cook it enough. See, you can see it doesn't look cooked enough. It's kind of dark in here though. Does this light work? Ooh, it does.
Hey, plugged in.
I think we could look at it now that light's on.
Actually, it does look pretty good. Don't burn those food.
I want that last green bean.
I didn't get one green bean.
You want a fridge?
I know where the fridge is. My house.
Yeah, this is his house, by the way. My counter's a lot cleaner.
I haven't done dishes in a couple days.
I did dishes.
A lot of Christmas stuff going on.
Think it looks ready?
No. It looks like as good as it's gonna get.
Oh, it actually looks really delicious.
It does.
I kind of want to puke and eat at the same time.
If you burn my hand.
Put it on the table then. On the counter.
Actually, looks pretty good. Here, throw both those in the sink. Nope. Don't put it down on the plastic.
Okay. Where's the chocolate?
There, man.
You microwave this still. How long do you think it'll take?
Throw it in for 30 seconds. And then after, like, mix it. And...
How long are we at?
No, it's
13 minutes. Doesn't look... Oh, that looks disgusting. It's so good at the same time.
I think spoons would be the best course of action.
Yes. Gotta wait until it's... Yeah, Dylan, 30 seconds.
Well, I don't want it to melt.
You do want it to melt.
Well, I don't want it to burn. And plus, it was frozen.
How do you burn chocolate?
Chocolate's very easy to burn.
How?
Chocolate
Never knew you could burn
burns.
it. Never knew you could burn chocolate. Oh, is there any leftover McDonald's? We should have like leftover fries.
No. I made sure there wasn't any leftovers.
Damn, Dylan.
What? I get hungry.
If this chocolate doesn't melt, well, let's just throw a chunk on it and eat it.
Well, melt is it was frozen.
Yeah, but we can't make this video like 50 minutes long.
Pause it till the chocolate's done melting.
Okay, so the chocolate's now ready. I got a little thin trail on it. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's delicious. Can't even see it with you. Oh, it's delicious.
this idea was bad yet.
Okay, you're taking first bite. Don't say anything.
I'm taking first bite.
Yeah, you take first bite. Don't say anything until I take my bites.
I'm gonna make a funny face. Making sure of that. I'm gonna get as much chocolate over.
Yes, but don't say whether it's good or bad before I try it. Okay?
You're gonna see my face and know.
I'll close my eyes.
Alright, I gotta fill this up with hot water.
Look at that. That looks something delicious. It's like I'd actually order that in a restaurant, except for the Fruit Loops.
I'm freaking chocolate.
I'll order the chocolate. This would be like a dessert.
A breakfast dessert.
A breakfast dessert. He said it all, people. He's fucking said it all.
Alright.
Take your bite.
I'm gonna go for this one corner. I think there's some Fruit Loop in there. There's not as much chocolate. I'm not a big chocolate. Ah, even the Fruit Loops are mushy.
Oh, that's delicious, isn't it? Okay.
A lot of salsa there.
It's mushy.
Whoa. There it goes. Oh. Wait until the aftertaste hits you.
Oh. Oh, no. Again.
Right, you take another bite. Alright, I'll take another bite. Alright.
This is disgusting. First bite was delicious. The aftertaste kills you.
I lost my...
Oh. I can't eat this. Look at his face. I need some.
Those worst.
Last sip.
That was so bad.
Oh, the chocolate killed it. Okay. Okay, Dylan, say goodbye.
That shit sucked.
Bye.